Hey guys, it's Rianne, and today I'm going to be showing you my makeup collection video. If I'm being completely honest, I have kind of been procrastinating on making this video just because I am a self-proclaimed minimalist, and I think that probably my makeup collection is like the one part of my life where it's just so hard for me to maintain my minimalism, but I'm just being as real as I can be with you guys. And part of that is because, I'm so blessed to be able to be a beauty blogger, and so a lot of companies will send me PR samples and marketing samples. So I have a lot of beauty products that come in continuously, and I always want to try them out so I can be able to report back to you guys. Don't worry, none of the products go to waste. I always am giving them to my friends, giving them to my mom, donating them to local charities that take makeup. So that's where the excess makeup that I'll just never have the time to try ends up. But all the things that I really do want to try and let you guys know about, I have to, kind of keep. So my makeup collection is much larger than I think an average person's would probably be. But it's for that reason, because at the end of the day, I am a beauty blogger. So anyway, I definitely am excited to show you guys kind of how I organize my beauty. And I wanted it to be as real as possible. So a lot of the products that I've gotten in from, PR samples, I haven't even processed through yet and kind of found homes for or decide if I'm going to keep or not yet. So I am going to be going through all those products very soon, and I'm going to set some aside because I will be doing a beauty giveaway very soon. So if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe so you will know when I am doing the giveaway. And if you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at riannstar because I'll be posting about it on my stories on there as well. So anyway, without further ado, I know I feel like I've talked for so long now, let's go ahead and I'll show you guys my makeup collection. So the journey begins here at my vanity, and if you want to see this at like some other angles of it and stuff, you should definitely go check out my room tour because I kind of show it in there as well. But this middle drawer and then the drawer right to the right is where I keep all of my makeup. Over here I keep my nail stuff, but that's not what I consider part of my makeup collection, so I won't show you that today. But in this top drawer, this is where I keep all of the makeup that I use on a daily basis. So the first thing that we have in here is a towel, just because this is black. I am trying to preserve the surface of this as best I can. So I put a towel down for when I'm doing my makeup. It's kind of organized, I have the palette I'm using right now, my brushes, the foundations I'm using, some of the other powders that I put on my face like bronzers, blushes, brow powders. I have like little tubes of things right here, primers, sponges, setting spray. So all of that lives here because this is what I use on a day-to-day basis. And of course I have to have a Burt's Bees chapstick over here. And I also have my Dior lip glow because I love this stuff so much as well. So those are my like mostly reached for lip products. So I keep them in here as well. So then over on the right here, I have products I reach for on a semi-regular basis, but maybe not every day. So in this little Clinique pouch, I have the lip colors that I favor kind of most often. So there's about like 7 or 8 in there. And then under that, I have all of my palettes right here. So I have one from The Balm, I have one from Too Faced, I have Urban Decay. This is a Smashbox palette, more naked palettes back there, Smashbox palettes. So that is where I keep all of my eyeshadow palettes. And then I just have some other products that I'm going to be trying soon too. And then I also have refills for when I need them. So like soon I'm going to be running out of my Urban Decay primer potion, so I have another one of those in here waiting. I have a little travel size of the Professional, lots of extra Burt's Bees and things like that. So that's what I keep in here. So the rest of my makeup I keep in my closet. And if you want to get a better view of this, you should definitely go check out my room tour too. It's definitely easier to see in there as well. But I keep the rest of the kind of like reserve stores of my makeup that I'm going to try down in this caboodle right here. And then whatever is kind of like overflow, I have different pouches for different things. So I have like a pouch for mascaras, a pouch for lip products. I'll show that to you guys too. And then I have a Smashbox PR package right there and some beauty blenders. So I'll show you guys inside all of that. But one thing that I did want to show you before we get there is right here. and this is my eyelash collection. So this little white container with the drawers actually was sent to me by iLure, and it was full of iLure lashes and brow products. So I will show you. In the top here we have their iLure, some of the iLure Luxe collection. We have some single lashes, and we have some pairs of lashes up here, which I love. And then on the bottom here we have the eyelashes line by Vegas Nay, and then also the influencer collection with some of the YouTubers I love. So those collections are in here too as far as lashes go. This drawer was actually filled with iLure's brow products, but I actually took them out and repurposed this drawer so it could hold more lashes, so they could all be in the same place. So I have my House of lashes here, some more iLure lashes, and then these are Ardell. So I'm very much equipped to do lashes. And then these are actually some iLure brow stencils also that are in there. But yeah, this is where I keep all of my lashes, and I don't think I'll have to go shopping for lashes for a very long time, so I feel very blessed. So this is a caboodle, and I honestly think I have had this for like 6 years or something like that, something crazy. So I've had it for a really long time, and what I keep in here is what I refer to as my fun makeup. So it's makeup that's like colors that I wouldn't use on a daily basis, but like maybe I'll want to use on like a night out, things that have like sparkles in them, or like blue eyeshadow, things like that. And then also like my backup makeup is in here. So like if I run out of a blush, the first place I go to get a new blush is in here, and find maybe what I've been sent by PR or gotten at events, in influencer bags, things like that. So I will show you guys what is in here. So starting on the right side here, I have my MAC eyeshadows, and then I also have some cream eyeshadows from MAC and Dior. There's also a Super Shock from ColourPop in there. And then I have like some powders. So I have like Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I've got a Rimmel bronzer, a Too Faced blush, Tarte blush, Bare Minerals powder. These are kind of just like a facial powder kind of a drawer. And then over here I have like face makeup. So this is the Dior Skin Forever Primer, the Forever Foundation. I've got the Phyto Pigments Foundation from Juice Beauty, which I'm so excited to try next. And then some Dior concealer right there as well. So as you might be able to tell, this little section right here is sort of dominated by Dior lip products. Over here I have my Lip Glow collection, and then I have the Addict lipstick line, and then these are lip glosses by Dior. I've got a little YSL lipstick right here hanging out, and then down here I have pencils. So there's like brow pencils, and eyeliner pencils, highlighting pencils, that kind of stuff is in there. So down here I have a lot of other makeup by Dior as well. As you guys might remember, I collaborated with them, so they were super generous with gifting me some Dior makeup. But down here I have some of these lipsticks, which I love the packaging of because they're liquid lipsticks, and then the bottom looks like a traditional lipstick. These are eyeshadow palettes. These are individual eyeshadow pods, and then these are face powders like highlighters and bronzers, things like that. And then I've got some blushes kind of tucked back in there. But yeah, these guys are actually supposed to be standing up, but you know, when I move around the case, they kind of fall over. But that's what's in the middle there. So you probably saw this huge Dior bag next to my caboodle, and in here I keep a bunch of little bags of makeup as well. The first little bag on top here is my travel bag for makeup. It's from NYX. It's not the best, but it's what I use whenever I go traveling. Then right here I have a little bag from a mailer from Maybelline, and what's in here are mascaras. So whenever I get sent a mascara from a company, I throw it in here, and then whenever I need a new mascara, I go in here and then I use it, and I kind of take notes and get back to you guys on which ones are really great. So there's a, let's see, this is a Lash Domination by Bare Minerals. I see the Best in Faux by Tarte. Many Dior Show variations, Lights, Camera, Lashes by Tarte, and then also this one by Rimmel, which is the Scandalize. In this little black bag, I just have a bunch of lip liners, so I always go and look in here when I'm looking for a lip liner to match a lip shade that I'm using. This little bag is full of lip products. I have this one, which I actually bought at Whole Foods. Let's see, Smashbox, I have Ofra in here. Yeah, so this one, let's see, this is from Too Faced. So there's a good mixture in here, but basically if I need any kind of like color at all, I just come and look in here and I can usually find it. This next bag is one I've had for a really long time, and it has lipstick kisses on it, and I just think it's so, so cute. And in here I just have all of the brushes that I don't use on a regular basis, but I might want to try. So I have like Dior brushes in here, Royal brushes in here. These ones are from Moda brushes. Yeah, so I have some MAC brushes in the bottom. So yeah, I keep a bunch of different kinds of brushes in here that I don't use all the time, but that I might need to reach for at any point. I know where to get them, and they're right in here. So in the bottom of this bag, I have a bunch of different kinds of Smashbox primers, and I'm using them as I go because I don't like to open them all and use them at the same time because they do expire, and I really try as hard as I can to not be wasteful. So I try them out one at a time and kind of take notes in my little journal on what they're like. So I have a bunch of those to try in here, and then this is actually a priming oil water primer spray. So I opened up the other two black boxes that were in there, and as you can see, these are the Always On liquid lipsticks, which me and my friends who are beauty lovers, we have talked about it. This is the best formula of liquid lipstick ever, by far. Hands down, no contest. And then down here I have the Be Legendary lipstick. As you can see, there are some that are gone because I gave them to some of my friends, and I am going to probably go through here and pick out some colors that I want to keep and then give the rest to charity or my friends or what have you. So that's kind of how I process through all of my PR unboxings as well. So you probably saw this box in there as well, and this is an example of a Smashbox mailer. I usually just keep them in the boxes because they're so easy to store this way, but like I said, I'll go through and kind of pick out the ones that I want to keep, and then the ones that I want to pass on to charity, my friends, my mom's friends, people at work, things like that. Those ones will go out to their respective places. But yeah, these ones are relatively new, and I love the formula of the Always On liquid lipsticks by Smashbox so much. They got it totally perfect. So I'm really excited about these ones because these are new mattes, new nude shades, and new metallic shades, which are just so, so cool. I'm especially excited about So Jelly, which is this one. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. Anyway, so that was in there as well. And resting on top of there, you probably saw this, which is 2 BB Clean. It comes with 2 beauty blenders and a little beauty blender soap. But yeah, this is my favorite type of sponge, and so I just have it hanging out in there for when I need to switch my beauty blenders out. So yeah, that brings me to the end of my makeup collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on Instagram at riannstar, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye guys!